Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken lababdar, a scrumptious restaurant-style curry with a rich, creamy and super flavourful gravy, a perfect butter chicken substitute. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Heat the oil over a low to medium heat and add the cardamom pod, cinnamon, clove, bay leaf and the mace. When the hard spices start to form little bubbles, add in the cumin seeds and onion and fry until soft and golden. Take your time to soften the onions nicely, as crunchy onions in this dish don't taste right. When you're sure the onions are soft, stir in the garlic and ginger paste, green chilies and salt. Fry for a minute or two until the really strong smell from the garlic and ginger subsides. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Add the chili powder, coriander powder, ground black pepper, chopped tomatoes and a little base. Stir through to combine well and cook until the tomatoes mush and the oil begins to separate. If you're using raw meat, add it now and a little base if needed. Coat well and allow the masala to penetrate the meat for a couple of minutes. Allow to soften and reduce for about 5 minutes, then add the rest of the base and ground almonds. Stir through well and remove the bay leaf, cassia bark, mace, cardamom pod and clove. Allow it to reduce for a further 5 minutes, then add the fresh coriander, retaining some for decoration, methi, garam masala, butter and cream. Allow the cream and butter to come to temperature. Add most of the fresh ginger, then stir in carefully. Add any pre-cooked meat, reduce to a medium heat and simmer until the sauce is the consistency you require and the meat is worn through. Serve with the remaining coriander and julienne ginger. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.